In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share videos directly from Kapwing to your social media accounts, making your video sharing process seamless and efficient. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Kapwing website. Kapwing is a creator platform that allows you to create more content in less time, perfect for uploading and sharing engaging videos with your audience. Once you're at Kapwing's homepage, you'll want to sign in to access all your creative projects. Look for the Sign In button, which will be at the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. You'll then see an option to sign in with Google, a convenient method to log in without the hassle of remembering another password. Click on Sign In with Google. This method is quick and helps keep everything connected across your devices. Choose your Google account from the list. If you're not already logged in on your browser, you'll need to enter your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll have immediate access to your previously created projects. Now let's move over to your Kapwing workspace by clicking on your project folder. Here you'll find all the videos and content you've been crafting. Select the project that you want to share. Once you've opened it, look for the Export Project button, generally positioned on the upper taskbar. Clicking Export Project prepares your video for final output. Next, decide on the resolution you prefer for your video. Choosing the right resolution is crucial. A higher resolution like 1080p offers clearer quality but may take longer to upload, while a lower resolution is useful if you're looking at faster upload times or meeting specific size requirements of a platform. After selecting your desired resolution, click on Export as MP4. This is the standard format for video sharing, ensuring compatibility across most social media platforms. Now that your video is ready, sharing directly to your social accounts is just a step away. Click on the Share to Socials button. Kapwing integrates with different social media platforms to simplify your process. Select the platform you want to use for sharing. You'll be prompted to sign in to your chosen social media account to authorize Kapwing's access for posting. Follow the prompts to connect your account, allowing the app to help you share your video directly. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your video straight from Kapwing to your social media, allowing you to engage with your audience with minimal fuss. This streamlined process not only saves you time, but also ensures that your content maintains its intended quality and reach. Thanks for following along, and happy sharing.